Hey guys, this is Leo from MAPerformance.com. You guys are in sunny Cottage Grove, Minnesota. Spring is finally starting to take hold here, and we're getting really excited as we continue our journey to the quickest and highest horsepower 1.5T powered Civic in the world. Behind us is our shop car, and I'm going to be giving you guys a little bit of a refresher on exactly what we're doing, some behind the scenes updates, and all the goodies that you'd like to know about. Alrighty guys, so as you can see behind me, we're going to start with the obvious, and the obvious on this car is going to be the turbo kit. We've pivoted a little bit from what we were doing originally, using a Borg-Warner series of turbo. We've now pivoted and started using the Garrett family of turbos. Now the reason that we did this is fairly obvious. We don't have a whole lot of room when working inside of this engine bay. We want the widest variety of turbos available for you guys. So with that being said, our production model turbo kit that we will be releasing at some point in the future will be configured and will look fairly similar to this, and it will utilize the Garrett family of turbochargers. Next up guys, what we did is we partnered with Belak racing wheels. They hooked us up with these awesome front runners here and these skinnies for the rear. Now our hope here is that we have an ideal combination of both lightweight design as well as compact packaging. What we also did is we put some awesome Mickey Thompson ET drags on here. Now the hope with these is that we deliver less shock throughout the entirety of the drivetrain when we're getting out there and we're trying to beat that world record. Next up, obviously to fit these smaller wheels, we had to go with a smaller brake package. Now with that being said, the beauty of these brakes is that they are going to be a little bit smaller, which also in turn makes them lighter. This will give us plenty of stopping power, and it'll give us the ability to run those amazing Belak racing wheels. So guys, you saw our wheels, tires, and our brake setup. The next thing that I'm going to show you guys is our Fortune 510 series coilovers that we have installed on our drag car right here. Fortunato is actually kind enough to work with us and build these coilovers specific to the specifications to suit this car the best for the conditions at which we're going to be using it with. It only took a couple of weeks and they got these things out to us. Alrighty guys, now speaking about suspension, Eibach was kind enough to hook us up with some rear adjustable camber arms. This is going to give us control of the camber on the rear side of the car. On top of that, Whiteline actually pitched in and they got us some adjustable toe arms. So we've got everything we need to get down to the track and make a world record pass. Now guys, everything you've seen in this video as far as parts go is available or will soon be available. And as you can tell from this short video, we're really kicking it in high gear here as we're getting ready to take this car down the track. Now with that being said, we really appreciate you watching, and we hope that you guys like and subscribe and watch our next video where we unveil the car and finally get it ready to take it down the drag strip and beat that world record.